still have some newer stuff, but I still go back to my teenage years and the big horsepower cars. I enjoy driving the old cars more than the new ones.
Yes.
I can buy a new one tomorrow and the next day, but you can't find cars like this that are completely restored. They're a different time, different. They take you back to your childhood, basically.
That's my bucket list Cadillac. I'd wanted one of these for many years, and I found one a few years ago and grabbed it. It's a 1941 Series 62. First year for automatic transmission, so it's got the automatic in it. That was very rare back in the early 40s. This is a pre-war car.
Yep.
I mean, it's definitely, I mean, for me, first of all, that was my first time except driving Model T with my previous guests. That's first time I'm driving original Model A. So that's quite special. I really appreciate.
Yeah, no problem.
And yeah, we're talking about four-cylinder, regular
four-cylinder,
engine.
3-speed.
What do you think you have right now? Talking about miles, how many miles you think
Have I
you
put on it?
Yes.
I've put just over 1,000 on it since I bought it 2 years ago.
But
So-
you're when I'm watching you here, you joining those you know, car cruises or little car shows all over.
Yep.
You're not scared to drive.
I mean, we're talking about different backdrop, how I'm calling as a photographer, different landscape. I think slightly different scene too, East Coast, West Coast, talking about hot rods and classic cars.
Very different. There are a lot of classic cars and hot rods as you get out towards California,
Yes.
Nevada, part of it. In fact, they just had a event that just ended last week in Reno, Nevada, called Hot August Nights, and they
Yes.
had 5,500 entries. So, and it goes on for a week. It's a week-long event that takes in all parts of the city.
Thank you. We have a chance here, Peter. I met Stefan at a car show.
Yes.
And we had the opportunity to put our cars together and realized that perhaps we had a perspective on history not a lot of people get, because we had the civilian version, the everyday version, the car that Ford and Mercury sold on Monday that people bought because this car went on Sunday. And back then a stock car was a little bit closer to being a stock car than they are today. If you look at a stock car, race car today, there's not a single part on that car that came off a production line Toyota Camry or Ford Mustang. But when you look at this 1968 Mercury Cyclone, and you look at this 1968 Mercury Cyclone, they share 40% common parts. Pretty hard to believe when you think about going 200 miles over here.
Yes.
Or buying it at the dealership.
Restored, custom here and there, but yours was different. Catch my eye immediately.
Chevrolet had a turquoise and this turquoise, and the white color had a little bit of a creamy tint to it. So, and every year I come, I bring a different car that I want to drive.
Oh, really?
And I bring my wife's little Volkswagen Bug. She gets that one every year.
Nice.
That's
All
her
right.
little hot
That's
rod
her
car,
favor.
Summer car and winter car here, but
the radiator was in the rear of the car, so the car was built in such a way that the air underneath it was tunneled up like this and then through the radiator. The radiator was right behind the rear glass in the car.
Wow.
And then there were a couple of red top batteries back there, and the fuel cell was back there also. Terry had built a extra water supply for the radiator instead of just the tank that's on top of it. He took two old chrome-plated fire extinguishers about this big around and about so long, and cut the ends off of them and welded them together.